Hello guys, meron ditong challenge na candying kulay. Okay, eat color green. Stand up ikaw. Wag na stand. Color green. Where's the color green? Hanapin ang color green. Where's the green? No. No. Stand up ka kasi. No, this is violet. Naubos na kasi yung green. Eat. Eat color yellow. Alin daw? Confused daw siya. Yellow. No. No. Put it back na. Na. Put it back. Put it back. Rumble. Where's the yellow? Wow. Very good. Where's the color violet? Where's the color violet? Violet. Color violet. Ay, nagtago pala sa gilid. Very good Aper. Kiss. Wala na. Finish na. No, finish. Okay, I'll give you more. Na color. Ano na lang? Yellow tsaka green. Okay. Wait. Eat color yellow. Yellow. Where's the yellow? Yellow. Okay. Eat. Thank you, Mama. Eat color green. Green. Thank you, Mama. Let's go. Sleep na tayo.